Welcome to the January 24th edition of Speculator Daily, the webcast that pays. We pick the trades, we place the trades, we track the trades. And now your host, the CSG.
Thank you, DJ. Good day, speculators, and welcome back to the show. We've had a lot of volatility since the start of the week. Gold is up around 650. Silver's moved up past 13 bucks. Euro is at 130, breaking through that. Looks like it's going to test the 133 levels. I think we're going to get used to this volatility. I just see more of it coming. That's why we're in these markets. If you're following the show, you know that we're short the 240 copper puts for February. They expire in 2 days. Now, even though the copper closed today at 256.95, the cash market's at 258. We've seen a 20-point move in 2 days before, so we're going to keep our stops working. We don't want to mess with this rough and tumble bunch in the pits at copper, so we're not going to take any chances with these guys. Now, the latest thing is that crude oil has moved into the strike zone. After going through 50 earlier in the week, we are now trading 54.55. Now, tomorrow at 10:30, we got the inventory numbers coming out. I think we're going to see a buildup of inventory because there's been no reason not to. So I think the prices will come down some. I'm hopefully going to come down a lot because we want to try to sell the $48 puts from March at 60 points, collecting $600, not including your fees and commissions. Okay, so I want you to call this in at 10:30 tomorrow morning. Actually, before 10:30, because that's when the numbers come out, exactly 10:30. The order you want to call in is selling the March $48 crude oil puts for 60 points. That's a limit GTC. And again, we're going to collect $600 if we get filled, and not including your fees and commissions. Now, if we don't get filled because we don't get the movement, we'll reevaluate and we'll decide what to do, whether we're going to take a little less on the premium or maybe move that strike price up. And that's what we're going to try to see. But you got to check in with me on that. Remember, you can always email me at csg@limitmover.com if you have any question about this or any other trade. I want to talk a little bit about the format of the show. We film this show every night at around 6:30, 6 o'clock Eastern time after the markets close. So if there's any action in the overnights, we can't let you know until the following broadcast. So that's why it's important, if you do have questions, you send me an email at csg@limitmover.com. I hope that clears up any confusion. Good day and good trading. The disclaimer: past performance is no indication of future profits. People can and do lose money in these markets. Commodities trading is not for every individual. All views and opinions are those of me, the commodities super genius. Be your own genius.